Hey, it's your boy Jay Will, man. Just sitting in my hotel room right now. I have a new income stream, beginner friendly. Watch the whole video. I'ma even give you the exact funnel I'm using. It's a simple funnel I just made real quick that's high converting, and I received already 5 members to this site. It's easy. Here we go. It's called Funnel X ROI with David Deckel, and he pretty much just walk you through, step by step, how to set up a whole online business. He already got free websites that you can use and show you how to get the autoresponder, how to set up the autoresponder, everything. It will be multiple income streams. I'm gonna show you one income stream I'm already making money off of. Very easy. Called Easy One Up, and I already have 5 active members. Made 225 bucks today, 39 leads, still 114 people who haven't paid yet, so I'm already doing good and I just started. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys so you guys can go sign up for this. Let me refresh the screen again so you know this is real. This is my results. Very easy. Shout out to David Deckel for having this wonderful system, but it's very easy to set up. Just click the link below and get started. And here we go, the exact funnel I'm using for it. Simple funnel, high converting is about 70%. Yeah, just click the link in the description below and get started with this.